Molly.
Fuck off.
I beg your pardon.
Fuck off, freak.
Why am I a freak?
Fuck up. Fuck off.
You're a fucker.
Hello, fucker.
You're a fucker.
Oh, what?
What?
Hello, fucker.
Hello, fucker.
Oh, gotcha.
What? What did you say?
Fuck off.
You're so rude.
Fuck off.
Oh dear.
Fuck off, you freak.
Yes, I am a fat fucking freak, dear.
Fat ass.
Yes, I've got a big fat ass, dear.
Flat fucker.
Yes, no, I'm not a twat fucker. That's one thing I'm not.
Oh, yes.
Under the water, under the sea, how many titties can you... Under the water, under the sea, how many titties can you see?
Twat.
Twat titties, dear. 3 titties. Yes, 3 titties. Gracious goodness.
Oh, fucker.
Do you love me?
Okay.
What?
Fuck off, you fuck.
Oh, don't tell me to fuck off.
Fuck off. Your leg.
No thanks.
Shut you freak. Bloody. Fuck off. Fuck off. Oh. 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 Freak. You're bloody rude. Order, fat girls. Yours.
Hey?
Hang on.
What did you say?
Where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
Hang on.
Why, you coming out here?
Where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
Freak.
You're a freak.
Hang on.
Hang on. Don't whistle.
Shut up, Stuart. You're not funny.
Who, me or Molly?
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Let's go to it. Toi. Fuck off. Shut up.
Shut up, Molly. You can't bear the attention being shifted from you even for 5 minutes, can you?